stocks are a valuable part of your investment portfolio. Owning stocks in different companies can help you build your savings, protect your money from inflation and taxes, and maximize income from your investments. In this video, we'll show you how does investing in stocks make you money. Number 1, buy and hold. There's a common saying among long-term investors, time in the market beats timing the market. What does that mean? In short, one common way to make money in stocks is by adopting a buy and hold strategy, where you hold stocks or other securities for a long time instead of engaging in frequent buying and selling. Number 2, reinvest your dividends. Many businesses pay their shareholders a dividend, a periodic payment based on their earnings. While the small amounts you get paid in dividends may seem negligible, especially when you first start investing, they're responsible for a large portion of the stock market's historic growth. Number 3, opt for funds over individual stocks. Seasoned investors know that a time-tested investing practice called diversification is key to reducing risk and potentially boosting returns over time. Think of it as the investing equivalent of not putting all of your eggs in one basket. Although most of the investors gravitate toward two investment types, individual stocks or stock funds, such as mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, experts typically recommend the latter to maximize your diversification. Day trading. Day trading refers to buying and selling securities in short periods of time, rather than holding onto them for years at a time. You purchase an asset when the price goes down, then sell it off when the price goes back up. Scalping. Scalping is a trading style that specializes in profiting off of small price changes and making a fast profit off reselling. In day trading, scalping is a term for a strategy to prioritize making high volumes off small profits. Long-term investments. A long-term investment is an account on the asset side of a company's balance sheet that represents the company's investments, including the stocks, bonds, real estate, and cash. Long-term investments are assets that a company intends to hold for more than a year. Swing trading. Swing trading is a style of trading that attempts to capture short to medium-term gains in a stock or any financial instrument over a period of a few days to several weeks. You should visit exoduscapital.com and get professional advice from highly qualified experts. If you are a good fit for the courses, then you should invest in Exodus Capital, so you could improve your financial skills tremendously.